this?
This is the Jake and Jake Show. We are semi-live, and the question of the week is...
What sound would a golden flash make? Part 2.
The golden flash would be like the mascot.
Yeah.
Yep. There you go.
All right. You want me to go?
Yep. All right, Jim. What sound do you think a golden flash would make?
I guess it'd be caw, caw, caw.
A golden flash make.
Caw.
What kind of sound do you think a golden flash would make? That's really good.
Trying to Ka.
You can do a little louder in that.
Ka.
What sound would a golden flash make?
Oh man. Caw.
You can do it a little louder.
No, that's it. That's
That is
it.
right.
I would say.
What sound would a golden flash make?
Oh God. I should have known this.
There you go.
Ka-chow! That's good. That's it. That's it. You don't want to throw anything in there. I think you hit it. All right.
There you go.